everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Roblox game stuck on loading screen. If your Roblox game freezes on loading screen, start by switching your network. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues, then or vice versa. After that, open it. This often resolves it. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Roblox app and then close it completely and restart your device. Clear any background app that may be slowing the performance. Then head over to your app store, search for Roblox and make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Updating your app helps you get the latest version and clears out all the bugs, so it fixes it. Make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, if it still hangs, reinstall the game or try joining a different server. Most of the time, these simple steps you'll get back within seconds, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.